I want to thank you guys because we have reached 300 subscribers. 300. Like, I kind of knew it was possible when I started the channel. When I started the channel back up, I knew that was possible, but I'm really grateful that you guys trust me. I'm glad that you guys believe in me. I'm going to continue to make these videos because I want to help artists grow. That is literally the goal of why I made the channel. Obviously, I want to get monetized. Everyone loves residual income, but my goal is definitely to make sure you guys grow. So continue watching the videos, continue subscribing, commenting, liking, continue sharing with your friends, letting your friends know that there's another resource and another artist who actually wants to help. Thank you for that. Today we're going to be talking about a tool that I use anytime that I'm retouching. So I use the patch tool when I'm cleaning up skin quite a bit. I use the patch tool for almost everything. Once I got the Wacom tablet and I realized that I could use the patch tool, I can just circle things and I can make adjustments that way, I fell in love with it. When I'm using the patch tool, I'll circle the blemish, drag it up to the area where I think the skin is good, and I'll let go. And once you let go, it's done for the most part. But there are times when I'll do that and the transition is not smooth. It doesn't look good. It's too rough, it's too intense. So a way to fix that is to fade it. In order to fade it, you're gonna use the fade tool. You press Command-Shift-F, the dialog box appears, and you can set the intensity to what you want. I normally use between 40 to 60%, and I normally gets the job done. Sometimes I'll bring it down to 10%, sometimes I'll leave it at 100. It really just depends on what I'm trying to fix. I've watched hundreds and hundreds of tutorials on YouTube, literally. Like, that's how I figured everything out. Good old YouTube University. So after watching all of those tutorials, it's very rare that I've seen this tool brought up. So I wanted to make sure I shared it with you guys. It's one of like my secret, even though it's not mine. It is one of my favorite go-to tools though. Hopefully the tool helps you out in your process of retouching skin. And fixing anything else in Photoshop because, you know, obviously you can use the patch tool for other things. Today was a quick one, I know, but we're gonna be doing more. We're definitely gonna be doing more. So comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any questions below. You can always email me or send me a DM on Instagram. I definitely will reply. So I'll talk to you all soon. And you can also follow my Instagram channel. I kind of treat it like a diary in a sense, because if I'm thinking about something I think that will help people, I'll just start typing. I'll start just, you know, giving out resources. I put links in there, I put examples in there. I also talk about my workshops inside the channel on Instagram. If you're interested in going to one of my workshops, going on my channel will be a great place to get information and to also voice your opinion on what you think the next topic will be. Part of me helping people out is me not thinking that I know what everyone needs to know. So I like to ask and kind of see where people are in their career and what they're interested in, because I want you to come to my workshop and actually get something that you're going to use. Definitely follow me on Instagram and definitely follow my channel for more information. Look for the next video coming out soon. I try to do these, you know, 1 or 2 videos a week. So I'm gonna stay consistent. Definitely gonna stay consistent. Keep saying definitely. I'm definitely gonna keep saying definitely. But yeah, talk to you guys soon. Can't wait till next video.